Hi mga babe!
Welcome to our channel!
We recently traveled to Vietnam and ipapakita namin sa inyo lahat ng nangyari sa aming trip.
Pagkatapos namin kumain sa chic restaurant, lumabas kami and ito yung view. Malaparisian / Benguet yung vibes. Pero ang ganda, no?
Then we move sa Absinthe Bar para makapag-picture at mag-chill. Medyo maraming tao kasi dinarayo rin to since sobrang ganda ng view at masarap mag-relax.
We ordered some refreshers at nagstay kami hanggang mag-sunset.
Cheers.
Cheers to making it here. Ito naman yung itsura ng loob ng Absinthe Bar. Parisian cabaret din yung vibes and maraming antiques and art pieces.
Pagkalabas namin, nadaanan namin yung plaza. May event daw dyan every weekend tulad nitong cultural show, saka may mga stalls din. Next stop for dinner is this restaurant called Chicago Pizza, malapit sa hotel namin. Na-curious kami dito kasi gumagawa si Jeff ng deep dish pizza, so we had to try it and it did not disappoint.
Okay din yung price niya for 260,000 VND or 590 pesos. We also had salad para naman may gulay, tsaka as usual, spring rolls. Taste.
Good. Anong lasa?
It's like regular pizza. Hindi ka tulad ng sa atin, yung flavor. Well, meron din siya. More on herbs. Sa atin, more on spices eh. Yung sa Italian sausage na ginagawa ko. Dito, mahal na sa amin herbs na.
Chicago pizza.
And to wrap up our stay here in Sapa, nag-coffee kami sa sikat na Kong Cafe and we ordered iced coconut coffee.
So that's all for our trip here in Sapa, Vietnam. We truly loved and enjoyed our stay here mula sa weather, scenery, hanggang sa mga restaurants na kinainan namin.
Up next, samahan nyo naman kami sa Hanoi. See you! This is my island.